following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wood County, southwestern Portage County, until 12:45 a.m. At 12:04 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Pittsfield to near Babcock, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wisconsin Rapids around 12:15 a.m. Lake Wazita around 12:20 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Kellner, Sand Hill Wildlife Area, Nakusa, Barron, Coddington, Walker, Clover, Dexterville, Meehan and Claremore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Portage and Wood,